Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin right now with this evening news report. 29 hurt in NYC subway shooting. Gun jam may have saved lives. At least 29 people were shot or otherwise injured after a lone gunman in a reflective vest and a gas mask threw smoke bombs on a subway car in Brooklyn and began shooting Tuesday morning. A manhunt is now underway as details continue to emerge in this developing situation, and the NYPD has reportedly located a U-Haul believed to be connected to the shooting. Detectives have made significant progress and believe they have a good idea for whom they are searching, though Mayor Eric Adams declined to elaborate further. He spoke with Eyewitness News on Tuesday evening. Police say the shooting happened on a Manhattan-bound N train making express stops just before 8:30 a.m. and that the suspect was seen mumbling to himself before downing the gas mask and removing a canister from a bag before the car began to fill with smoke. He then opened fire with a handgun, striking several people on the train and on the platform at the 36th Street subway station in Sunset Park. After passengers spilled onto the platform, everyone who was not wounded was told to get back on the train, which then continued to the 25th Street station in Greenwood Heights. This predator dropped those smoke cans, if that's what they are, and shot around and then exited from that point. Retired NYC Chief of Detectives Robert Boyce said he's not going to stay on there if there's smoke on there, even if he has the filter mask. Shell casings were recovered on the train and on the platform, along with a handgun that had 3 extended round magazines. One in the gun jammed, which is believed to have saved lives. Multiple smoke devices and a bag of commercial-grade fireworks were also recovered, as well as a credit card authorities say was used to rent the U-Haul. That U-Haul was located on Kings Highway in Gravesend, and once it is searched, they will investigate and determine if it has any connection to the suspect. While the cameras in the station were not working, law enforcement officials were able to get an image of the suspect from a bystander's cell phone video. No arrests have been made, and schools in the area went into a shelter-in-place as the search continued. All dismissals have since been completed without incident for students across all impacted schools, leading to some tearful reunions. And that does it for this evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for another news report. Good night and goodbye, everyone.